Alright, quick question. Who actually owns your data? Your clicks, your location, your late-night shopping cart, who's in control? Today, I'm breaking down GDPR, the big privacy law from the EU, you, your phone, and your business. Let's make this simple, fast, and useful. Hook. Imagine every website has to ask permission before tracking you. Imagine you can say, show me everything you've collected on me. And they have to deliver. Clean readable for free. That's GDPR in spirit. Your data, your rules. Explain. GDPR stands for General Data Protection Regulation. It's an EU law, but it reaches anywhere in the world if a company targets or tracks people in the EU. So yes, if a US app sells to someone in Paris, GDPR applies. Here are the big pillars. Consent. No more sneaky boxes. Consent must be clear, specific, and easy to withdraw. Purpose. If a site collects your email to send receipts, it can't secretly use it to build an ad profile. Minimization. Collect only what's necessary. No, just in case hoarding. Access and portability. You can ask for a copy of your data and take it elsewhere. Correction and deletion. If it's wrong, fix it. If you don't want it kept, request deletion. The famous right to be forgotten. Security and breach notices. If a company leaks your data, they have to tell regulators fast. And often tell you too. Accountability. Companies must document what they collect, why, how long, and how it's protected. Now apply. If you're a regular user, here's your power move. Look for a privacy or your data page. Most legit sites have a data request form. Ask for your data. Audit your phone. Settings, privacy tracking. Kill the trackers you don't need. If you run a small business or a side hustle, map your data. Email, name, IP, purchase history. Where's it stored? Who has access? For businesses, privacy builds trust. And trust converts better than any dark pattern. Your challenge today? Request your data from one app you use a lot. Clean up your phone's tracking permissions. And if you run a site, rewrite your sign-up form to ask only for what you truly need. Your data, your rules. Start owning it today.